In today's Lord Gizmo video, we'll take a look at the construction industry. Let's dive into some amazing methods and technologies used in the construction world. MC Inject 2133 is a single-component resin that quickly foams when it comes into contact with water. It's used to seal cracks and gaps in materials like concrete and rocks. The foam forms rapidly, filling the cracks and stopping even high-pressure water leaks. It's flexible after hardening, making it effective even in moving cracks. Modular pools are a fast and stylish option for your backyard. Made in France, these pools combine the charm of traditional pools with modern design. They're quick to install and more affordable than traditional pools. The high-quality resin makes them long-lasting, but regular cleaning and chemical balancing are essential to keep the pool in good shape. Patterson Shoring is a company that specializes in lifting houses. They strengthen a home's foundation and then carefully raise the entire house. This is often done to prevent flooding, fix ground settlement, or add an extra floor. The house is lifted slowly and steadily with special equipment, and a new foundation is built underneath.
Let's say you have an interior
Solar tunnel is a smart system that brings natural sunlight into areas that don't get enough light. It helps save energy and makes spaces feel more open and healthy. It's also good for the environment by reducing the use of fossil fuels. Plus, natural light can boost your mood and improve your health. Laya Durasol is a building material that combines the best of concrete and wood. It's lightweight, provides great insulation, and is environmentally friendly. Durasol is often used in modern buildings because it speeds up construction and doesn't put as much strain on the structure due to its lighter weight.